First, I'll query the root server to see if it knows which name server hosts the BenPiper.com zone. So we'll do nslookup -type equals ns for name server, BenPiper.com is the domain name, and a.root-servers.net is the name server that I'm querying. Hit enter here and it spits back a lot of data, but the data we're interested in starts with com. This refers to the com zone. Notice that it gives us a list of names ending in gtld-servers.net. These servers are VeriSign's name servers that hold information for the com zone. Recall earlier I mentioned one of these, a.gtld-servers.net. Each of these 13 name servers holds a copy of the com zone. In fact, the DNS specification requires that a zone be stored on at least 2 name servers for redundancy. In this case, there are 13. Hence, we could query any of these. But just to be consistent, we'll query the A server. So we'll do nslookup -type equals ns, BenPiper.com, a.gtld-servers.net. And once again, just to reiterate, that -type equals ns causes nslookup to ask for a name server resource record. We'll hit enter here. Now here, it gives us 4 name server entries for the BenPiper.com zone. These all contain some variation of AWS DNS- and a number. These are the Route 53 name servers that are hosting the BenPiper.com public zone. Just as with VeriSign servers, each of these Route 53 servers contains a copy of the zone. So let's go ahead and query one of these. nslookup -type equals ns, BenPiper.com, and then we'll do ns-517.awsdns-00.net. Notice they return the exact same name server records. Now this is a clue that these name servers have complete information for the BenPiper.com zone. Let's do another query against one of these servers, only this time I don't want to query for a name server record, I want to query for an IP address. So I'll change the type of the query to A for IP address. nslookup -type equals A, BenPiper.com, and then ns-517.awsdns-00.net. And finally, we get the IP address for BenPiper.com. Pretty cool. And that, my friends, gives us all the context we need to start learning, configuring, and otherwise diving deep into Route 53. Let me close this out with a question to ponder. How do VeriSign's name servers know that those particular Amazon Route 53 servers had information on the BenPiper.com zone? Did Amazon tell them? Did I tell them? Or did some third party tell them? Well, that's the question we're going to answer after we walk through the lab setup for this course. That's coming up next.